So this area is called DUMBO, and we're going to show the shortcut to get to the Brooklyn Bridge walkway using High Street subway station, which is right here. See right there, High Street, and the A and the C right there. That's it. So instead of going to Tillary Street, you exit here.
You can go to the museum with the dinosaurs.
Let me show. See right here, it shows Brooklyn Bridge. So when you come out here, it shows Brooklyn Bridge, Tillary Street, right? But the trick is, you can cross right here. Instead of going all the way down there, you just cross here. And you go over. You going on the bridge? You going on the bridge? This is the easy way. You go down here, go across.
Okay.
Right in the back there. Otherwise, you gotta go all the way down. That doesn't make any sense. You go down here, you take the next step up, you go in the back of that building,
Okay.
you make a right.
Perfect.
And it's right across the street. The entrance to the bridge, yeah. To walk up the stairway, yeah.
And excuse me, for the promenade,
Brooklyn Promenade?
yes.
Okay, that's different. You have to go down like through the park. You'll see like if you cross, once you cross over there, for example, right, there's a park
Okay.
right there. You can walk through there, go all the way. That will bring you to the promenade.
Okay.
You know, if you want to do that. But for the Brooklyn Bridge, yeah, I was just making a video to show people how to get there.
Okay.
So you go, yeah, you go down here.
Go and okay.
Yeah, I'm going to be going down there too. So you go down here. Let's see. And we're going to take this exit right here. Come on here. Go up these steps. This way, go around here, yeah. Go around here,
Okay.
yeah. So you see the sign there? Brooklyn Bridge Stairs. See the sign? And this way.
Okay.
Right?
Perfect.
And it's right on your left hand side. Now this park here, if you went through here,
Yes.
you can go to the promenade.
We go there.
This is for the promenade,
Okay.
all the way. This for the bridge right there. Yeah, for the bridge. That's it, right there. Yeah, right there. You go up there. Okay. All right. Take care. Okay. All right. Okay. So this is how you get here. Walk around and walk up the steps right here. Bridge is usually packed with tourists. There used to be a bicycle path here, but they removed it. So now it's only pedestrians.